The top 10 foods high in iron. The human body can't live without the mineral iron. For starters, it's an important component of hemoglobin, the protein that carries the oxygen in your red blood cells, RBC. Without enough iron, you may feel tired and dizzy, and can even develop anemia. Iron requirements vary by age and gender. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, recommends 8 mg mg per day for men and 18 mg per day for most adult women. Women who are pregnant should get 27 mg, while women who are over 50 or nursing should get 8 to 9 mg. There are many ways to meet your daily iron requirements without eating the same foods all the time, so let's explore your options. 1. Canned clams. Clams are one of the highest ranked food sources for iron. 100 grams, g, or about 3.5 ounces, Oz, of canned clams from chicken of the sea contains a whopping 29.45 mg of iron. The iron content in clams can vary widely by brand, so make sure to check the nutrition label before buying. Try adding canned clams to your favorite pasta sauces and rice dishes. You can even combine them with shrimp and other seafood favorites. 2. Fortified breakfast cereals. Breakfast cereals are often a main source of iron, but you have to choose the right types. Sugar-laden cereals you might have eaten as a kid aren't the best choice. The key is to look for a fortified cereal that contains 100% of your daily value of iron. A 1-cup serving, or 53 grams, of Total Raisin Bran contains 17.35 mg of iron. 3. Fortified hot cereals. For days when you crave a hot breakfast over cold cereal, fortified hot cereals are a healthy choice. They can contain nearly 11 mg of iron per instant packet, depending on the brand. While this is a fraction of the amount of iron found in fortified dry cereals, you can still meet your daily iron requirements by eating other sources of iron, such as dried fruit, along with your hot cereal. Cream of wheat contains 8.10 mg of iron per packet, while plain instant oats contain 10.55 mg per packet. 4. Dark chocolate. If you're a dark chocolate lover, you now have another reason to eat your favorite dessert. 3 oz of dark chocolate, approximately 1 small bar, can provide anywhere from 5.38 to 10.12 mg of iron. Make sure you opt for real dark chocolate, which should contain at least 45% cacao solids. 5. White beans. While all beans offer iron, white beans pack the most. In fact, a 1-cup serving contains 7.83 mg of iron. If you don't have time to sort and soak dried beans, try canned versions. Just watch the sodium content. You can enjoy white beans by themselves, include them on a salad, or add them to stews, soups, and pasta dishes. 6. Cooked oysters. Next time you go to your favorite seafood restaurant, consider ordering some oysters. A 3-ounce serving of cooked wild eastern oysters contains 7.83 mg of iron. A 3-ounce serving of cooked Pacific oysters contains 7.82 mg. Raw oysters are also packed with nutrients, but cooked oysters are safer. 7. Organ meats. While organ meats are often overlooked, they're a great source of vital nutrients, including iron. The exact amount depends on the type of organ, as well as its source. Beef liver, for example, has 5.56 mg in a regular 3-ounce serving. 8. Soybeans. Soybeans are an ideal protein source in vegetarian diets, but these nutrient-dense legumes are good for everyone. A half-cup serving contains 4.42 mg of iron. Try substituting soybeans for meat in main dishes, or add dried versions to salads for an alternative crunch to croutons. 9. Lentils. These pulses are relatives of beans, and they're another valuable source of iron. A half-cup serving contains 3.30 mg. The advantage of using lentils over beans is that they have a faster cooking time. Next time you're in the mood for a bowl of soup, whip up this spiced vegan version. 10. Spinach. Spinach is famous for its vitamin A content, but it's also a valuable source of iron. A half-cup of it contains 3.21 mg.